How to remove the View Insights button on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, we are going to be learning how we can remove the View Insight and all of those ad payment tools on Instagram. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're being able to see the professional dashboard, the Insights option is on Instagram, it's most likely because you have a professional account. And under professional account comes creator accounts and business accounts. So if you do not want to see the View Insights, if you're just a person who is on Instagram just to connect and follow with friends and so on, those options could be quite disturbing to you. And if you want to remove those options, you have to switch to a personal account. So in order to do that, all we have to do is go ahead and simply launch the Instagram application, then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right to come to your profile page. And over here you'll be able to see all this professional dashboard, which is not really necessary to me as a personal Instagram account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and then I'm going to go to settings and privacy. As I come to settings and privacy, now keep in mind that because of the update, this interface could look a little bit different by the time you're watching this video. Over here you can see creator tools and controls. Just tap on it, and then right over here you'll find the option called switch account type. Now even if you do switch to a business account, you'll still find all those options. So in order to completely remove the professional dashboard and insight option, you have to switch to a personal account. So just tap on the switch to personal account button. Keep in mind that when you switch to personal account, you will lose all of your customers or your viewers data as such, and as a result you will not be able to run ads or anything. So if you're aware of all of that, just tap on the option called switch to personal account, and once you switch to personal account, you'll have successfully removed those options on Instagram. And that's all it takes to go ahead and remove the View Insights, the professional tools on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.